Alright, this is Semper 1918, and this is to Rifle Chair because he wanted to see on how this ammunition was boxed. And one of the two boxes I got was kind of broken when I got it shipped here. So as you can see, this band was broken off and the box was pretty much falling apart. So the ammunition is in here. Now if I can get into it. Actually, I might not even have to cut that apart yet. Okay, just put that there. Alright, so that's bulging out there. Okay, here we go. Just be able to peel that around there. There we go. Busted it open. And here's the top off. So you can see there's different padding in here, which is pretty interesting. As you can see the rounds, let's focus in there. This will be a 1942 Mark 8 with the SR rifle chair. I'll end up putting in more information for you guys on it. Doesn't look too shabby. I mean, it's got a lot of dust and a little bit of time on it. But yeah, there's 1,000 rounds in this box. And so I'm going to have to take those and put them all into these containers that I ended up getting from Southern Ohio Gun that they shipped it out to me. So brand new cases, which works. But yeah, this is pretty good stuff here. And Rifle Chair, I want to give you a shout out for all the good videos that you've been doing, and keep up the good work.